Hello student. Today I am going to explain you chapter number 4 Janardanasya Paschima Sandesa. Janardana means Lord Krishna. Paschima means the final and Sandesa means message. So our lesson's name is the final message of Sri Krishna. Bha's name is famous in Sanskrit literature. His plays are known as Bha's Natak Chakram, and the present extract is taken from his one-act play Dut Ghatotkacha. After the death of Abhimanyu, Lord Krishna sent Ghatotkacha as his envoy. He approaches Dhritarashtra and is courteously received by the latter. Ghatotkacha brings three messages, one for Dhritarashtra, another to Duryodhan, and the third to Kuru. Princess, which is an admonition and the warning that death would be upon them with the rays of the sun of the tomorrow. So let's start our lesson. Ghatotkacha Pravishya Ayam Atra Bhavana Dhritarashtra. Ghatotkacha, name of the son of a Bhim, enter in the palace or come to Dhritarashtra. Ghatotkacha Pravishya Ayam Atra Bhavana Dhritarashtra. Ghatotkacha says, Aha, here is the majesty Dhritarashtra. Anarya Shatasya Utpadayita, the father of innugable 100. Upasutya Pitamaha, advancing grandfather. Abhivadaye Ghatotkacha, here I Ghatotkacha salute you. Ityadyokte na ayam akrama, having uttered himself and say no, this is not the proper order. Yudhishthiradayascham me guruvo bhavanta abhivadayanti. It is my elder Yudhishthir and the rest that salute you, and after them I Ghatotkacha salute you. Dhritarashtra, ehi putra. Dhritarashtra, come my son. Ghatotkacha, aho kalyana khalu atra bhavanam. Oh, now noble your majesty is. Aho kalyanam khalu atra bhavanam means, oh, how noble your majesty is. Kalyananam prasutim pitamaham aham bhagvana chakrayudham. Lord Shri Krishna, wielder of the discus, has this message to my grandfather, the source of all auspicious things. Dhritarashtra, asanat utthaya means rising from the seat. Kim agna payati bhagwan chakrayuddha. What was the command of the divine wielder of a discus? Divine wielder of a discus matlab Lord Shri Krishna. Chakrayudh means Lord Shri Krishna. Ghatotkacha no. Asanasthena eva bhavata shrotavyo janardanasya sandesa. Ghatotkacha says, no, your majesty should listen to be message of Shri Krishna being seated on the seat. Dhritarashtra, yada agyapati bhavana chakrayuddha upavishyati. Dhritarashtra said, as Lord Shri Krishna's command, sit down. Upavishyati means sit down. Ghatotkacha, pitamaha shruyatam, grandfather listen. Havats, oh child. Abhimanyu, Havatsa, Abhimanyu, aha, my child. Kurukula Pradipa, the lamp of a Kuru dynasty. Ha Vatsa, the section of the Yadu family. Ha Vatsa, Yadukula Pravala means the section of the Yadu family. तव जननी मातुलं मामपि परित्यज्य पितामहं द्रष्टुमाशया स्वर्गम् अभितो असि. You have left your mother and me, your maternal uncle too, and have gone to the heaven in the hope of meeting your grandfather. Pitamaha, grandfather. एकपुत्र विनाशातम अर्जुनस्य तावत् ईदृशी खलु अवस्था का पुनर्भवतो भविष्यति. Such is the plight of Arjun as a result of death of one son. What then will be yours? Tata क्षिप्रम इदानी आत्मबलाधानम kurudvyam. So quickly summon up all the strength of your soul. यथा ते पुत्र शोक समुपस्थितो ममरग्निम दहित प्राणामयम हविरितम. So that the fire rising from the grief of your sons should not be burnt your life like a oblation. शकुनि. यदि स्याद् वाक्यमात्रेण निर्जितेयं वसुन्धरा वाक्ये वाक्ये यदि भवेत् संवर्ध क्षत्र वध. शकुनि. If it were possible to conquer the earth by mere words, if by the words and yet more words it could be done, all the warriors were indeed killed. Gatotkacha. Sakuni resha vyahārati. Bho Shakune. Akshana vimuchya bhava bhana yogya. Gatotkach says, this is Sakuni speaking. O Shakuni, living dice, be prepared for fighting with the arrows. Duryodhanam. भो भो प्रकृतिं गतं वयमपि खलु रौद्रा राक्षसोग्र स्वभावा. Duryodhan. Aha, he display his original nature. We too are terrible, having the fierce nature of demons. Gatotkacha. Shantam papam shantam papam. Gatotkacha. Heaven forbidden. Rakshasebhyopi bhavanta evam krudratara. You are much more ruthless than the demons. Because kutaha means because natu jatu gruhe suptana भ्रातु न दहन्ति निशाचरा शिरसिं न तथा भ्रातृं पत्नी स्पृशन्ति निशाचरा. Gatotkacha says, you all are the more ruthless than the demons, because the demons do not burn their brothers asleep in the house of Lakh. Similarly, the demons do not touch that way the head of a brother's wife. Duryodhana. Dutaha. Khalu bhavan praptom na tvam yuddhartham agatam. Duryodhan says, you have indeed come here as an envoy and not to fight. Gruhitvam gacchama sandesam na vayam duta gatakaha. Take your message and go. We are not those who kill the messengers, or we are not kill the messengers. Gatotkacha. Sharosam means angrily. Kim dutam iti mam pradarshayasi. Are you insulting me, saying that I am the envoy? Ma tavat bho na duto aham प्रहरध्वं समाहता सर्वे उत्तिष्ठति. Gatotkacha says, are you insulting me by saying that I am an envoy? No, indeed, I am not an envoy. Strike me all together. All get up. Dhritarashtra Pautra Gatotkacha Marshayatu Bhavan Madvachana Vaganta Bhava. Dhritarashtra says, Gatotkacha, my grandson, please forbear, pay heed to what I am saying. Gatotkacha Bhavatu पितामहस्य वचनात् दूतो अहम अस्मि. Gatotkacha, all right, let it be. I am an envoy at grandfather's word. भो राजना श्रूयतां जनार्दनस्य पश्चिम संदेश. Oh, you king, listen the final message of Shri Krishna. धर्मं समाचरं कुरु स्वजन व्यपेक्षां यत्कारक्षितं मनसि सर्वमिहानुतिष्ठितं. जात्योपदेश इवं पाण्डवरूपधारी सूर्यासुभिः समुपैष्यन्ति वं कृतान्तः. Means, do what is right, fulfill the particular expectations of the brothers. Whatever is desired in your mind, do all that here in this world. For with the rays of the sun that in the views of Pandava, as if it was the most excellent advice, will come upon you.